With the authority send-off of Ben Dow in August 2020, it is as yet acquiring some fame in the crypto market due to its organization and the Curve.fi thought. Around then, as the stage was new to the crypto business, there were no particular updates. The ongoing position of the CRV coin is number 83 in the top virtual monetary forms available, with a market predominance of 0.04%. Yet, it has been slacking in framing an astounding outline for the financial backers and dealers. How about we see what is happening in the Bend finance world and what is the Bend DAO token cost expectation for the impending years? We should initially comprehend what Curve.fi is. It is a decentralized trade stage upgraded for low slippage and low charge trades between resources fixed to a similar worth. The Bend is an AMM, robotized market creator, depending on liquidity pools and compensating those hubs who reserve the pools. The main thing which is its limit is that it just arrangements in stable coins. This opens new choices for brokers looking for exchange-valuable open doors and liquidity suppliers who procure an exchanging expense and interest charge. CRV is the administration badge of Bend money, and paying liquidity providers is utilized. The stockpile of CRV tokens will grow up to 3 billion after the tokens are completely circulated to liquidity suppliers. The DAO or Decentralized Independent Association oversees changes to the decentralized conventions. The Bend DAO token gives casting a ballot rights to the holders of the local token. The Bend DAO token can be purchased or procured through yield cultivating, i.e., when somebody stores resources into the liquidity pool, they acquire tokens as a prize. Yielding the Bend DAO token likewise builds the motivators to turn into a liquidity supplier, as you likewise have responsibility for DeFi convention. Bend DAO token market opinion. The Bend is one of the most famous stages in DeFi, decentralized money. It favors security and composability over unpredictability in theory, because of which they can offer low slippage utilizing stable coins. With the Bend DAO token as its administration instrument permitting clients the democratic freedoms, its composable components well established into the DeFi biological system, it offers clients all the power for what it will be utilized for in DAO. Yet, there is an inquiry that is as yet not replied, i.e., what is the ideal method for drawing in with the DeFi environment? There is definitely not an ideal response to this, basically for the present. However, the Bend DAO token plans to limit charges, slippage, and ephemeral misfortune through an engaged pool of resources. Interestingly, other robotized market creators intend to amplify liquidity for different tokens. Clients can choose which conventions to utilize and in what setup, and everything relies upon the client's necessities of the biological system. The cost of Bend DAO CRV has been somewhat steady for the last year. Subsequent to dropping from the highs since the send-off, Bend DAO has attempted to bring down its instability and keep up with a portion of the momenta. It took Bend DAO token, CRV, quite a while to become steady, illuminating its cost range, yet presently it seems as though it has turned decently negative. The Bollinger Group's examination shows that the cost was unstable during the primary quarter of the last year. In the wake of going through a revision stage, it denoted a moderate recuperation and afterward enlisted a colossal convention during the last year's end. There is generally a likelihood that the market will go down after bullish energy, and it is typical for the cryptographic money market. Consequently, dealers ought to continuously investigate the crypto figure prior to money management for the following couple of years. In the wake of recording a huge leap, the CRV token has denoted a precarious fall starting from the start of this current year. In spring, the Bend DAO token cost confronted a rectification, and in the wake of hitting a low of around $1.90, the token denoted a recuperation. This cost development took its costs to the greatest cost of $3, and afterward it enrolled range-bound exchanging. From that point onward, the Bend DAO token CRV denoted a sharp fall which took its cost underneath $1.50. Somewhat recently, the CRV cost again confronted revision and tumbled to the low of $1.11. After the underlying fall just after the send-off, CRV is still no place at its unsurpassed high. It hasn't been that since a long time ago its fall, and there are still possibilities for the BendDAO token to be a wise speculation. Be that as it may, until the cost breaks flood past the $3 high, it can't be expressed whether there's an opportunity for the BendDAO token, CRV, to shape a decent trendline. Our information modules propose that the future cost could exchange inside the scopes of $1 and $4 with the ongoing cost direction. Assume there's a significant cost volume activity that will shoot up the cost of CRV above $4 later on. All things considered, the likelihood of BendDAO shaping a magnificent bullish pattern line increments altogether. In the above diagram, the cost of the BendDAO token has remained close to the 50-day outstanding moving normal for as far back as year. In January of last year, a significant cost volume activity sent the cost level well above $3. As the collection, dissemination marker shows, there was a lot of gathering during the start of the last year. The collection, circulation pointer connotes no amassing at the ongoing cost. Be that as it may, this ought not be viewed in a serious way, as there is no huge key sign to back up this cost opinion. Since the CRV is a generally new token, the market presently can't seem to find its true capacity. At the point when that occurs, the probability of BendDAO being in the main 85 most noteworthy positioning advanced coins will emphatically increment. The typical exchanging cost today is $1.11. The ongoing business sector cap is $546,469,823 and 24-hour exchanging volume is $145,418,084. BendDAO token gauge. It is anticipated information that the cost will reach $1.139 in 1 year. Your ongoing speculation might be degraded from now on. According to BendDAO token cost expectations, the typical BendDAO token cost is supposed to be $2 toward the finish of 2022. As per the BendDAO token estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2026, the CRV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.84, the normal least value worth of BendDAO token, CRV. By 2026 may be $6.64 with a most extreme value level of $7.98. BendDAO token value forecast 2022. As per BendDAO token cost forecast, the normal cost of the BendDAO token, CRV, will be $1.46 in the year 2022. The cost range for the whole year would be between $1.38 to $1.57 according to the cost expectation for 2022.